You know, somebody's always complaining. You're cooking, but you don't make me happy. It's done, guys. Look at it. Siya raw hindi masaya si Mr. niyan.
Good morning, Philippines!
Huh? That's not script. That's just a line. I don't script this car. Maybe you did. Scratch it with the key. You did, right? Han? Can you get me please a bag for grocery? 2 bags or 1 bag? Okay, you can put that in the back. So, alis na kami. Nagpahinga siya guys kasi napagod talaga siya sa kaka-shovel. Kawawa. Good luck. Goodbye to your long hair. Say bye-bye guys. Say bye-bye to your long hair, bebe. You have your mask. Lucky you. Why? Dito lang ako, hindi lang ako sumama kasi hindi naman talaga ako sumasama kapag mag-haircut kasi nakakahiya, puro mga lalaki andun, diba? So pagkatapos nito, I think I'm going to CVS pero I think I changed my mind. Punta na lang kami grocery. Mag-grocery na lang ako. Bibili ng manok para lutuin katulad ng niloto ko the last time, ganun din. Kasi nagustuhan ni Mister yung ganun. Manok, pero gusto niya this time thighs. Ayaw niya yung chicken breast. So what do you need?
We've done this before.
Huh? Creamer and what?
Only prices and participation may vary.
To go in the other side.
Before you try
Okay guys, I'm going to go grocery. I'm not gonna bring him.
70 years later.
And we are, oh no, don't close it. Don't close it. Hi guys, we are home. And I'm gonna get my grocery and my husband will help me. 2 bag lang naman yung ko. Ganito ako mag-grocery guys. Kunti lang talaga. Hindi katulad kay Mister. Ano guys, ito yung chicken. Naghanap ako ng chicken na with skin. Thighs with skin. No bones, wala. Meron man silang may skin, may bones din. Itong si Tammy, sobrang pihikan. Gusto niya yung boneless. Iwan ko kung bakit nahirapan sila ng mga meat na may buto. Bakit ba kailangan mas masarap yung, sabi ko sa kanya, mas masarap yung meat na may buto. Kasi mas tender, mas yummier, mas juicier, basta yummier. So ngayon, meron din tayong pork. I know meron kaming frozen na pork. Pero gusto kong gusto kong kumain ng lamb chop. Chicken pork chop. Okay? And our still frozen pa talaga yung isda natin, guys. Hindi talaga magsilbi, ay frozen pa talaga. So ngayon ang gagawin ko is I'm going to marinate all this. And this one I will marinate first because I will cook this tonight. And this one tomorrow.
You do that one?
Huh?
You do that one?
No, you do it. Marinate tayo, marinate. Okay, the chicken is chicken. Try him. I kind of hungry though.
Do a chair now. Every time we're in the kitchen, there's a chair. I took over Mama's spot.
I'm hungry. Luto man ako, guys. Pero i-marinate ko muna itong chicken. Simple lang naman itong marination natin. Ito yung gawin nating marinate. Tuyo, suka, lime, paminta. Yun lang, walang asin. Go do your thing. Go do your thing. I need lime. Yung lime ko na, you know, I have a lime plant. The problem is
She's never growing lime.
there's no fruit yet.
Unless you learn how to eat steaks, then you can leave it on it.
Honey, we still have salad here. Is this a salad I just bought?
Yes.
Hi guys, haircut guys.
Hi guys.
Haircut, huy. Oh, haircut na
No,
baby. Huy. Haircut. Aray, Han.
Huy. Watch, I.
Ito yung meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, I wish I just put this in Ziploc bag. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng vinegar, guys. And soy. Kanting soy.
You like leave the towel on the floor.
Soon I must be free. I put garlic and onion because, you know, somebody's always complaining. You're cooking, but you don't make me happy. You're cooking, but you don't make me happy. There's something wrong with you. You want me to be happy, but you don't follow my rules. Yun yung palagi. That's what he always said. You know what I like, but you don't follow the rules.
You ever heard me use the word rules?
You do. Oh, you want spicy shit here, right? Oh, what is the spicy thing here? Paprika or what is the other one here? The one that is really spicy.
Cajun.
No, cayenne. No. Ah, paprika is spicy. Lagyan natin ng ganito. Para talagang mag-ano siya ba? Mag-ganun. Spicy chicken. Sharon Cunita lagi. Oh, very pula. Oh, there is a vanilla. Can I put vanilla?
What?
Oh, this is gonna be a different cooking. I'm gonna add vanilla, guys. His reaction is like, bleh. I-mix lang natin siya kasi I put lime and I want the lime to, you know, to mag-absorb yung lime sa chicken. Kasi, I don't know, lime is just really good, guys. And then next, I will wrap this with stuff. And I miss, you know what I miss, guys, that he doesn't give me? Lamb. Lamb from Costco.
You didn't have it over there. I asked for that.
That's so weird, right? Usually they are
He
like,
said probably tomorrow, but I can't guarantee it.
that's weird. Usually Costco have a ton of meat. Like this section is full of meat. This section is like meat. This section is a lot of seafood. And that time Tommy said they don't have none. It's so weird.
We walked around like 4 times. Finally, asked the guy behind the thing.
Really?
Yeah, I saw him coming out
Yeah.
because they don't stay there. They don't help customers.
Oh
He
yeah,
was getting changed.
Costco.
He was getting changed to go on his break.
Yeah, Costco never really. But she answered you.
Yeah.
So now the pork is different. I will put that in the Ziploc bag. So, Tommy, kumain siya ng steak. Yung bone, binigay kang Misty. So ngayon, isa lang yung bone. Si Roxy nagwala. Kawawang Roxy nagwala. Ngayon, tinapon ko. Kasi kapag lumapit si Roxy kay Misty, nag-growl naman itong si Misty. Kapag lumapit si Roxy kay Misty, itong si Misty nag-growl. So, kinuha ko. And then, lagyan natin ng kaunting oyster sauce. Konti. Yan. Para naman bukas, ready na ning pagkain natin bukas. And then, yung potato. Bumili din ako ng potato, guys. Look. That's tomorrow. And then, I still have to cook the fish. And I have to cook. Kailangan kong magluto ng meat. Kasi yung asawa ko, diba? And then, meron naman siyang salad. Binilhan ko. Yung fish, okay na sa akin yun. Mamayang gabi, ang kakainin ko isda. Ang katami manok. Yung chicken at isda. Pero, oh my God, yung lime ba? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's juicy, oh. Ang daming lumalabas. So juicy. Yung ibang lime is hard to squeeze, guys. Walang lalabas. Kahit anong piga-piga mo. Wala talagang lalabas. I'm not gonna put vinegar sa pork because vinegar is magbigay siya ng mag-toughen yung meat. Kamayin natin, guys. Kamayin. Naghugas ako ng kamay kanina, guys, ha. Hinugasan ko din ito, guys. itong pork na to, hinugasan ko para ano talaga, sure. Hinimay-himay ko yan. And then, ilagay natin siya sa Ziploc bag. And then, how much is the 36 temperature sa in a refrigerator downstairs? Is that cold enough?
Yeah, it's more than enough.
Really? 36?
Yeah.
I thought you said 32.
No, 32 is freezing.
Oh, 32 is freezing.
Right.
So, ilagay natin dito itong pork. Narinig ko guys na ang mahal na ng mga bilihin sa Pinas. Yung sister ko, di ba may paninda siya, di ba? And then palagi siyang namamalingki ng gulay. Sabi pa niya, nagmahal daw pati mga karni, ganon, nagmahal. So ngayon, ilagay ko to sa refrigerator. Dito na refrigerator dahil para ma-flip-flip ko ba, para balance yung flavor niya. Ganunin ko siya guys. Lagyan ko siya ng paper towel para kung may leaking, kung may butas itong look. Kung may butas ito siya, hindi masyadong magkalat. I'm going to fry fish and be ready, okay?
You ready for what?
Are you ready?
For?
For the smell?
Go for it.
You okay?
I'm being very careful to not become an opinion person. I want to just...
Gagamit tayo ng bagong oil. Kasi tinapon ko yung oil na ginamit ko sa lumpia. Okay. Tabon tayo guys. Ito yung pang protection ganern. Kasi manglagsik yan. And nagluto ako ng maaga kasi para mamaya gagawa pa ako ng thumbnail, mag-edit pa ako, maglalaro pa ako para may time ako sa sarili ba. Ito na siya guys. So yan. Tapos na. Ito yung problema ko kapag magpa-fry talaga guys. As in, here we go. I miss this guys. Tinitistingan ko siya, ang sarap. So ito siya. Oh lala. Ito yung problema ko kapag magpa-fry. Kasi tignan nyo naman. Oil everywhere. So, I need to clean up. Itami nakatulog guys dahil sa amoy ng isda. Humihilik ng grabe sobra. There you go. Isda. Yan. Yung asawa ko nakatulog ng dahil sa amoy ng isda. Sabi pa ng hilik niya. I have to let this cool down area. Kasi sobrang init pa uno ko. So, I have to let it cool down. And then, kailangan kong linisin yan mamaya. Gagawa din ako ng salad for my baby. So, yun guys. It's already almost 4 o'clock. 2 minutes para mag 4 o'clock. Asan ito? Tinago na naman niya. Lutuin ko ito nago. Ito yung ipakain ko sa kanya.
Very much responsible for what took place on January 6th. Would you like to respond to that? I can respond to that.
Wait. Galit. Ang sarap ng ano. Parang nasa Pinas ako, diba? Nabisi ang lula, guys. Nabisi ang lula niyo. I think kailangan ko na talagang mag-ano, guys. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng ito, guys. Kasi lahat, dito, lumabas na yung aso dito. Normal ba yun? Lumabas na siya dito, oh. Oh, lumabas na dito yung aso. Dapat dito lang siya, diba? Yung stem, dito lang siya lalabas. Pero lumabas siya kahit saan-saan, oh. Dito, oh my God. Natakot ako. So, ngayon, nakapagluto na tayo ng isda. Naboil ko na siya. I-ano ko lang siya, guys, ipa-fry ng, hindi siya fry, parang gisa na maliit na oil na parang i-brown ko lang siya na maraming garlic. Ang sarap ng feeling kapag may nagawa tayo. And then, mamaya, konti na lang, chicken na lang yung lulutuin natin. Ngayon, ito na itong salad ni Mister. Alam nyo, guys, yung ibang, tagal ko na dito. Hold on. Sa tagal ko na dito, may mga halos, well, hindi lahat ha, kasi yung ibang mga puti na babae, may mga mahilig magluto, ganun. Pero mostly talaga, no, order here. Mostly, yung sa mga may edad na mga puti dito, okay, mag-asikaso sila sa asawa nila, ganun. Kapag walang trabaho, nasa bahay lang yung asawa. Pero sa nakikita ko ngayon, yung mga new generation na ng mga mag-asawa. Kasi may kilala ako. So, yun, may mga sila, yung parang hindi marunong magluto. Hindi ko lang sasabihin kung sino. Pero, puti siya, babae. Hindi siya marunong magluto. Gusto ng katulong. And then, bumili sila ng bahay. And, ngayon yung asawa niya na lalaki, is siya yung tawag nun, parang hindi niya maisip kasi yung bahay nila is hindi malinis, hindi marunong maglinis. Kasi noong hindi pa sila kasal, pangarap niyang mayroon silang katulong. Sabi na ko, naisip ko, bakit pang mayaman niya na? Sabi ko, pang mayaman yung mga gano'n na may mga katulong So, yun. Okay, this oil is need to throw out. Huh?
My back is still bothering me.
Which beginning when?
In the dark.
Now?
Yeah.
Because of that?
That's claws on.
Happy boy?
Yeah. It's claws stuck on.
Yeah. I need to clean there. Tayo guys, linis lang ako kasi look. Tapos na ako sa Brussels sprout. So ngayon, ang lulutuin ko, napagod ako guys kasi 2 o'clock ako. Pagbalik namin dito galing sa lakad, luto agad. So ngayon, magluto tayo ng chicken. Okay, gamitin natin itong tawag nito. May tawag ito eh. Butter lang yung gamitin ko dito guys. Ay, dito kasi para butter and then konting oil. This is for tamimoy. Chicken eh. Chicken and chicken no. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys pag matapos na siya, transfer natin doon. So yan. Ito pala guys, tapos na lang. Brussels sprout. Tignan nyo yung asawa ko, guys. Wearing double. Wearing double.
You're gonna feel cold now.
It's freezing, hon. Why the TV is not on tonight? Huh?
Since you're not watching, I'm not watching. What's the point?
Okay, look, it's dark outside already, guys. Go eat your dinner. Go eat your dinner. Go eat your din. You're sleeping in Mama's bin bag. Why? Why you in Mama's bin bag? Huh? Are you doing? Oh? Why? Go eat your dinner. Dada gives you already food. Go eat. Go. Go eat. That's why nilagyan ko tong bin bag, guys, ng maliit na blanket. Come. Ano ay? You look like Dart. Dart? Is that Dart?
Darth Vader.
Yeah. Roxy's waiting for you, hon. It's done, guys. Look at it. Sharon, hindi masaya si Mr. niyan. Meron na tayong ulam. Meron na siyang ulam. Sharon talaga. So, ito na yung pagkain niya, guys. Brussels sprout, salad, chicken. Kami lang dalawa, guys. Yun yung pagkain niya. Ito yung sa akin. I'm happy for that, look. Hi guys! So anyway guys, pasensya na guys, masarap yung isda na niluto ko. And yung chicken, very good. Sabi pa ni Tammy, very good. Very good daw yung chicken. Sobrang ano daw, juicy and yummy yung flavor dahil minarinate natin, di ba? Hindi na ako nagmukbang kasi habang kumakain kami, itong si Tammy naman, kinakausap yung pinsan, and then pagkatapos kapatid. So, hindi ako makapagmukbang kasi kapag magmumukbang ako, ang naririnig ninyo is si Tammy. Yap, 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 yap. Talking, talking. Kailangan ko talagang maggawa ng thumbnail. And also, kaya hindi ko na ito, baka bukas na itong package natin. So, I think bukas ko na yan maanik. And gabi na, and gusto kong mag-relax kasi kanina pa ako nakaupo sa kitchen, tindig sa kitchen, nagluluto. So, ngayon sabi ko, oh my God. And, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. God, pahinga muna ako. Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Pasensya na kayo. And then, hindi ako nakapagmukbang talaga. So, anyway, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Wala, ano yun? Kaluka man yun. Hi, natakot ako. Bye guys.